Did you know people buy millions of journals every single year? It's a massive evergreen market, and you can tap into it to build a genuine passive income stream with practically zero startup cost. Forget complex software or expensive designers. The best part? You can create a professional print-ready journal from scratch in just a few hours, using a tool you probably already know, and completely for free. This isn't about getting rich overnight, it's about building a scalable asset. Before we dive in, let's clarify your goal and deliverables. This isn't just a design tutorial, it's a publishing walkthrough. By the end of this session, you will have 2 specific files ready to upload directly to Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing, or KDP, 1 interior manuscript PDF, and 1 full wrap cover PDF. That's it, 2 files, ready to publish and sell globally. Step 1. Research your niche on Amazon. This is the most critical step, so don't guess. Open Amazon in an incognito window, type a seed term like gratitude journal, ADHD planner, or fitness tracker, and pay close attention to the auto-suggestions that appear. These are real searches from real customers, telling you exactly what they want. To refine your search, use minus terms. For example, if you type gratitude journal kids, you'll filter out the children's category, helping you focus on the adult market. Open 3 to 5 of the top organic results in new tabs, and scan the bestseller lists to see what's currently trending. Here's your mini checklist for analyzing competitors. 1. Note the long-tail keyword phrases from the auto-suggestions. These are your future marketing keywords. 2. On each product page, scroll down to the product details section and check the bestsellers rank, or BSR. A rank under 300,000 is promising. It means the book is selling consistently. 3. Scan the reviews. A healthy range is tens to hundreds of reviews. Thousands might indicate a market that's too competitive for a new entry. 4. Click the Look Inside feature. This is free market research. List the types of pages they include. Daily prompts, weekly reviews, trackers. Note the page count and overall interior style. Is it minimalist, floral, or something else? Your goal is to spot gaps you can fill. Are the existing journals missing certain trackers? Are they all dated, leaving a market for an undated evergreen layout? Could you offer simpler, more direct prompts? Once you have an idea, do a quick validation. Compare your main keyword phrase in Google Trends against a broader term to gauge relative demand. Check for seasonality. Do you see spikes around New Year's for fitness journals or back to school for academic planners? This helps with launch timing. Confirm you have at least 3 to 5 solid keyword phrases you can build your listing around. Now, let's get specific. To stand out, you must pick a niche that solves a tangible problem for a specific audience. Instead of a generic journal, create an ADHD planner for adults designed to help them focus on daily priorities with structured layouts. Or, instead of a simple fitness journal, design a 90-day fitness habit tracker, complete with workout logs, meal planning grids, and dedicated spaces for progress photos. A daily mood journal for anxiety relief with guided prompts and reflection space is another powerful example. Always target a specific audience with a specific need. Next, plan your book's technical specifications. For trim size, the most common and cost-effective options are 6 by 9 inches for a portable journal, or US letter at 8.5 by 11 inches for a larger planner. Always choose a black and white interior with white paper to maximize your royalties. Aim for a page count between 100 and 120 pages. Now, for bleed. Turn bleed on only if you have artwork, like a background pattern, that must touch the absolute edge of the page. For standard lined or text-based pages, always choose no bleed. Set your outer margins to at least 0.5 inches. Crucially, for books over 100 pages, add an extra inner gutter margin of 0.125 to 0.25 inches. This prevents content from getting lost in the binding. Step 2. Set up your document in Canva. Go to Canva and click Create a Design, then select Custom Size. Make sure the units are set to inches, then enter your trim size. If you need bleed, you must add 0.125 inches to the width and 0.25 inches to the height, so a 6.9-inch book with bleed becomes 6.125 by 9.25 inches. Immediately, go to File and turn on rulers and guides so your margins are always visible. To keep print costs low and your royalties high, stick to a simple grayscale palette. Use pure black, a medium gray, and a light gray. This ensures consistent, cheap printing. Let's do the quick clicks together. Create a design, select custom, size, set units to inches, and enter your final width and height. Go to the File or View Settings menu and click to show rulers and guides. Now click and drag guides from the rulers to mark your 0.5-inch outer margins and your inner gutter margin. Finally, in the brand colors section, set up your grayscale swatches. I recommend using $1,000 for black, 4444 for dark gray, and GAU 4808 for light gray text or lines. Now let's build your interior pages. For a classic line journal, use the simple line element. Or for more structured layouts like trackers and logs, use Canva's powerful table tool. The key to efficiency is creating a few core master page designs. For example, create one perfect daily prompt page, one weekly review grid, and one simple notes page. Once you have these master pages designed and aligned to your margins, you just duplicate them to build out the rest of your book. Alternate the layouts to keep the journal engaging for the user. Your target is 100 to 120 total pages. Here's a core pages mini checklist. For a lined page, use the line element, set the weight to 0.5 points, and use the tidy up feature to space them evenly, around 0.35 to 0.4 inches apart. For a prompt page, use a bold, clear title, plus 3 to 5 prompts, with simple checkbox bullets. For a habit tracker, insert a 7x5 table, label the days of the week, and set the borders to a 1-pixel weight. For a notes page, use a dot or grid pattern from the Elements library and set its opacity down to 20 or 30%. Don't forget to add a simple title page and a copyright page that says, Copyright, your name, year, printed by Amazon. To order and scale your interior efficiently, first build a perfect 10 to 12 page set. Then, use the grid view at the bottom of the editor to see all your pages. Select your set and click duplicate page repeatedly to reach your total page count. This is much faster than doing it one by one. Alternate your core pages like prompt, lined, tracker, notes to create a varied user experience. Finally, add page numbers in the footer, either centered or on the outer corner of each page, for a professional, polished look. Time to export your interior manuscript. In Canva, click Share, then Download. It is critical that you choose the file type PDF print for high-quality 300 dpi output. Next, and this is very important, check the box that says Flatten PDF. This combines all your layers, text, and images into a single layer, which helps prevent any font, transparency, or formatting issues at the printer. Keep all elements strictly black or gray. Download the file and name it something clear and descriptive like Interior 69120p v1 PDF. Pro tip, leave the color profile at the default setting, which is typically CMYK for PDF print. Before you even think about the cover, do a quick on-screen flip-through of your downloaded PDF. Confirm that your margins are correct, nothing is cut off, and your page numbers are present and in the right order. This 5-second check can save you hours of frustration later. Now let's design your cover. Don't guess the dimensions. Open Google and search for the KDP cover calculator. On their official page, enter your exact book specifications. Trim size, paper color, white, and page count. Click Calculate and download the PNG template. Create a new custom size design in Canva with the exact dimensions from that template. Upload the template and stretch it to fit the canvas. This is your guide. Design on a new layer on top of it. Make your title large and high contrast so it's readable as a tiny thumbnail on the Amazon search page. And critically, leave the yellow barcode box on the back cover completely blank. Amazon will place the barcode there for you. Here's the professional workflow. Create a new canvas matching the template's full dimensions. Place the downloaded template on the bottom layer and lock it. I recommend lowering its transparency to 50% so you can see it, but it doesn't get in the way. Align your spine text precisely to the center of the spine area. Check that no important text or graphics cross over the pink fold lines. For your first journal, keep the background clean and use a single, bold font and maybe one accent shape to make the title pop. Simplicity sells. To export the cover, first hide or delete the template layer. Then, Go to Share, Download, and again, choose PDF Print. This ensures it exports at the required 300 dpi. Name it clearly, like Cover 669 120p v1.pdf, and download. Finally, upload to Kindle Direct Publishing. Create a new paperback project, and enter your title, subtitle, and author name. For the 7 back-end keywords, use the 2 to 4 word phrases you found during your research. Think like a customer. Use phrases like Daily Wellness Journal for Moms, or Undated ADHD Daily Planner. Choose 2 relevant categories from the list. A pro tip: after publishing, you can contact KDP support to request placement in up to 10 total categories, which increases visibility. Upload your interior and cover PDFs, then launch the print previewer. Wait for it to process and confirm there are no red margin or bleed warnings. Now for pricing. On the final page, KDP shows you the exact print cost for your book. Your royalty is 60% of your list price, minus that print cost. For example, if your book costs $2.50 to print and you list it for $8.99, your royalty is about $2.89 per sale. Research similar journals to set a competitive price. Check the box for expanded distribution if you want your book available to more retailers, and then hit publish. Your book will go into review, and once it's live, the first thing you should do is order an author proof. This is a physical copy, sold to you at print cost. Hold it in your hands, check the print quality, the margins, the grayscale tones, and the spine alignment. Once you've confirmed it's perfect, you can start promoting it. Then, repeat the process. Pick a new niche, duplicate your best interior file, tweak the prompts and design a new cover, and publish again. This is how you build a portfolio of multiple passive income streams. Want free templates and checklists to get started even faster? Hit that follow button for more practical KDP tips and tricks to help you build your publishing business.